Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 15 sweet keto snacks to share with you. These are all of the snacks that I enjoy either between meals or at the end of the day, because I do practice intermittent fasting, and sometimes end of the day before I begin my fast I'll have a little snack to end my day. So I'm going to talk you through all of these sweet keto snacks that if you've got a sweet tooth like I do and you have those sweet cravings, these will all be absolutely great for that. Before I get to that though, there's just a couple of things. Firstly, it's a dark and rainy day here in Ireland, so I've got all the lights on. The lights might be a little bit different and there's wind and rain in the background, so just ignore the background noise. And also I've written a full blog post to go along with this video, which will go through all the links to the recipes. So if you want all these recipes to pin, to save, to bookmark, I'll leave that link down below. And also make sure that you subscribe for more videos, because I share all kinds of low carb keto inspiration. So subscribe to join this awesome Yummy Inspirations community. And also I'd appreciate a like and a comment too, letting me know your favorite go-to sweet keto snack. So now let's get into it. The first sweet keto snack I'm sharing with you today is chocolate fat bombs. Now these taste like chocolate cheesecake. They're just rich and delicious and full of nourishing keto ingredients, which will help you meet your fat macros while also staving off those sweet cravings. And next, chocolate truffles. These are perfect around the Christmassy time of the year or just any time of year. They're just rich and decadent and chocolatey and just taste like a regular chocolate truffle, but better and low carb and keto friendly. So when you want a sweet treat that's a little bit more decadent, then these are absolutely perfect. And next, a couple of my favorites which I go to time and time again. If you've been following my channel, you'll know what I'm going to say. Firstly, strawberries and cream. I love strawberries and cream. I have it all through my keto journey. I'll just have a handful of strawberries or a handful of raspberries or blueberries, and then a generous swirl of whipped cream, and it just really makes the perfect sweet treat, the perfect snack. And yes, you can definitely have berries on keto. Just keep it to a handful or so a day and you'll be fine. And next, hot chocolate. I don't think I've gone a few days without having a hot chocolate on my keto journey. I've shared so many different versions of hot chocolate, but usually it's a square or two of chocolate, milk that I use, a bit of cream, and then top it with whipped cream once it's all heated up and warm. And on a great day like today, it's just the perfect snack. I often end my day with a hot chocolate. I'll have a hot chocolate close to 4 o'clock and it will keep me full until dinner time. It's almost like a meal really, but it's just the perfect sweet keto snack. And if you feel a little more organized and feel like baking something, then how about chocolate cheesecake brownies? They're really easy to prepare and they taste like a chocolate cheesecake. I love all things chocolate cheesecake. They taste like a chocolate cheesecake, but they're brownies, easy to make. I've had so much awesome feedback from people who've tried this recipe, and it's a yum sweet keto snack to keep, to bake, to have around, have to hand when you want something sweet and feel like a brownie. And another easy baked treat are almond butter cookies. You really just need almond butter, eggs, and some stevia, and you can whip up some cookies which are just the perfect cookie, and you can use peanut butter instead or any nut butter. They're just a great baked treat to enjoy on keto. And another sweet treat that I have time and time again is chocolate mousse. I think I've shared 5 chocolate mousse recipes through my keto journey. I just keep experimenting and enjoying different versions, but probably my favorite is mascarpone chocolate mousse. The mascarpone and the chocolate just work together, and it's again kind of like a cross between a cheesecake and tiramisu, and it's so yum. And I just, at least every week or so, I'll make a chocolate mousse of some description, have it in the fridge, and then when I want my sweet treat, I might have berries with a little bit of chocolate mousse, or chocolate mousse with a little bit of cream on top as an extra indulgent snack. And a couple of more keto sweet treats, which are baked sweet treats. First off, baked egg custard, which to me, I was inspired to kind of come up with a similar recipe to milk tart, which I grew up with in South Africa. And this baked egg custard comes pretty close without the crust or without the carbs and the sugars, and it's just one of those nice and nourishing, just delicious desserts that is great as a snack. And next, lemon and ricotta cake. Again, only a few ingredients. You'll notice a trend here. I tend to create recipes with as few ingredients and few steps as possible, and this lemon ricotta cake is just the perfect example. Lemon, eggs, ricotta, bit of stevia. That's pretty much it, and you put it all together and you end up with this beautiful lemon tart, which is perfect as a snack to enjoy between meals or to end the day with. Just a slice of lemon cake with some whipped cream on the side. It's just a perfect sweet treat. And if a smoothie is what you want, the options are pretty much endless, but my favorite go-to is raspberry and vanilla smoothie, which actually comes from the Keto Fat Bombs cookbook, and it's just an amazing recipe. I'll share again the link down below to the blog post where I'll have this recipe and more, but I was given permission to share it by the author of the cookbook, and it's an amazing smoothie, and it really just tastes like you're having something that's not low carb or keto, but it is. It's just absolutely amazing. And if you're keeping count, we're up to number 11 now, not too many more to go, but next I've got a chia pudding. I love making chia puddings. Chia is so good and rich in fiber and definitely allowed on the keto diet, and I'll mix chia with maybe some berries and some yogurt and some cream, other ingredients, and it's just perfect when you want a sweet keto snack. Put it together in the morning, later on in the afternoon when you have those 3 o'clock cravings, grab it out and you've got chia pudding, thick and delicious and just so good. And if you feel like more of a meal than a snack, then maybe whip up a batch of waffles. I've shared almond flour waffles and coconut flour waffles, and both of them are great topped with a bit of whipped cream and some strawberries or your keto topping of choice. But maybe make up a batch in the morning or make up a batch and keep them in the fridge and then just heat them up when you want to have one at a time over a few days, but that could definitely work as a sweet treat too. Next, if you're after an instant sweet keto snack, then how about grab a square of chocolate, pop a bit of peanut butter on top, maybe sandwich it with another square of chocolate, and you've got kind of like a peanut butter cup tasting chocolate sweet treat that's just instant, and you can just adapt it to what you've got to hand. Maybe pop a little swirl of whipped cream, you know I love my whipped cream, on top, and it's just an instant keto snack that kind of just holds off that sweet craving just a little bit, and it's just, yeah, a good little fun thing to do too. And next, another sweet keto treat which takes a little more effort is low carb chocolate pudding. It was inspired by my trip to Amsterdam recently, and it's just a chocolate pudding that you can either enjoy warmed or cool from the fridge, and it's just chocolate deliciousness and just beautiful to have a nice little bowl of it as a snack between meals, and it's just delicious and chocolatey. And finally, for you peanut butter lovers, another dessert is peanut butter mousse. Peanut butter, a little bit of cocoa powder, some whipped cream, and you mix it all together and you've got a peanut butter mousse, which you can just make a small portion just for yourself, just when you want something sweet, and it's just so perfect, and again, so easy to make. But there you go, those are my 15 sweet keto snacks that I've shared with you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and got some inspiration and some ideas for sweet keto snacks. Remember to check down below for the blog post with all of these recipes and more, and also leave a like and a comment to let me know your favorite go-to sweet keto snack, and subscribe because I've got loads more videos that I'm working on to share with you soon. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.